of our structure for our broilers, and we're trying to keep our design as simple as possible. As simple as possible. This is because we're trying to bring down the cost of production. That is, we're trying to bring down cost in constructing a structure for the broilers. We're trying to bring down cost of feeding in whatever way we can do, and so that we can have a very effective supply chain system. Once we're able to get an effective supply chain system, we know that we should be able to even break even in our first year of production. So if you realize what we're doing, what we're trying to make use of the walls, because they've already been constructed, two sides of it. So basically we are only having to invest in two sides of the wall. And like I told you, production cost is very, very, very vital, and that is our number one consideration. um, Many a time when you start construction, it could take up most of your money if you're not careful, and so we're trying to avoid that, and then put in more in our birds and medicines and feeding, so that we can reap the maximum benefit. So you can see our Mason busy at work, and I must tell you, it's been very, very educative and enlightening to me. I thought I knew so much, but I've learned so much. For instance, if you check the structure, you realize we only had two layers of blocks. We try, I said, we're trying to keep down the cost, so we had only two layers of blocks, and then we used a lot of wood instead of maybe 3 or 4 layers of blocks. And our target is that we're gonna put a wire mesh all around, and then of course we're gonna roof it. So that's our, our target going forward, to reduce our cost, and that's an operation strategy we're trying to adopt. A structure like this could hold between 700 to about 800 birds, and it's not going to cost you so much to construct it. I mean, basically so far we've not spent more than 2,000 cedis, which is about $500 just to construct the sofa. And like I said, it's been very, very informative, educative, and we've enjoyed it. And so this is our structure for now. We're gonna have two doors in the structure, one all the way to one side and the other all the way to the other side. This is to enable us, sometimes when you're cleaning the structure, all the files will move to one side, so you want two doors so you can clean one side, get out all the trash, everything, and then when you move to the other side, the beds go to the other side, you can also clean it up. And then we're going to construct two dips right in front of each door, one in front of each door, and then we're going to fill it with water and chemicals, because when you are going into your structure, you don't want to be taking in germs, viruses. So you want to put in some disinfectants in water and put it in the dips in front of the door. You step into it before you go into the structure. And it's very, very important. You're trying to bring down the mortality rate as low as possible, if it's even possible, to zero. And of course, once we're done, we're gonna modify it a little bit. We need some plastic coverings to cover the structure, because when the birds come in, they need to be warm when they come in as day-old chicks. They need to be warm, so we're going to cover it. And then by the time they're about a month old and they've grown further, then we take them off. So right now our structure is beginning to get into shape. It's looking good. I'm so excited. My slogan is little beginnings but big dreams. This is the beginning of big things to come. And this is a landing stage, so we are not really concerned about profits, even though we still want to make some money. So I just want to encourage you, when you're doing your structure, try to get something simple, something easy, something affordable. And like I said, humble beginnings but big dreams. Thank you very much, and look forward to my subsequent videos. Hopefully we'll have the structure in shape. Yeah, we'll have the structure in shape. So keep watching us and we'll come back to you more. Thank you very much. God bless you. What we believe is true.